Welcome to this quick video on Producer Price Index for the month of August 2023. This was released just a couple of days ago by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. This quick video is brought to you by Key Prime Realty. My name is Kiran Kumar. I am the principal at this agency. This agency unlocks your dream property. So if you are in the market for buying or selling, do check out our services. Now getting to the video, the producer price index is the price that the producers of certain goods and services pay in order to produce such goods and services. So our primary focus in this is going to be home builders. The home builders, how much they are paying to actually produce the housing. We have been hearing that the production costs for home builders have skyrocketed during the pandemic days. And this is just an attempt to bring some reality to what has exactly happened. The producer price index, which is released by USBLS, actually goes year-over-year numbers as well as month-over-month numbers. If you see, we have extracted from a list of hundreds of materials, we have extracted the materials that are more relevant for housing. One of them being the lumber, softwood lumber and hardwood lumber. Some are used for the framing of the homes and some are used in the interior carpentry of the homes. So both have come down 18% or 16% year over year. So that is a significant increase from the last year to this year. Similarly, millwork, plywood, and there are a bunch of other products which have significantly come down in the price. But the important thing is this price is from last year to this year. So the actual indication of how the prices have trended during the pandemic years is we'll go through them in the next slide. So overall, there is a good amount of decrease in the building materials. The only increase that we see is ready-mix concrete. That is used in the foundations and some of the exterior works. And one of the highest increase that we see is on the business loans. That everybody knows how the interest rates have gone up and the cost of borrowing, the cost of capital, how it has increased from last year to this year. So going to the next slide. So this is how the cost of construction has increased from the beginning of the pandemic till date. As we can see, this is an index. If we take January 2020 as the baseline index, that is 110. So it has been, as we all know, the inflation has been pretty stable until the pandemic has begun. And since then, because of the both the dismantling of the supply chains as well as the substantial increase in money supply, we all know how the inflation has skyrocketed during the pandemic years. So the index from 110 to till date, it has been increased to close to 150. That means there's almost 40% increase in the building materials alone to produce homes. So when the builders are selling the exact same property from pre-pandemic to now at a steep premium, it is totally understandable how the prices to produce the homes have increased during the pandemic years. So that's a 40% increase of just the building materials. Now the services, as you know, with the inflation, the services cost has also increased much more than the materials themselves. At least the materials are coming down slowly, but the services are keep going up. There are a few products that we are showing here. Gypsum, this is used in the drywall which is a significant cost in a house production. In addition to the lumber. So gypsum has increased and then it's not coming down. So that's one important material. That's why we're showing it here. And also we're showing the lumber, the softwood lumber, which was at close to between 200 to 250 in the beginning of the pandemic, has actually gone up quite significantly, but it has come back down almost near the pre-pandemic days. This is a good sign. So if the prices are going back to the pre-pandemic levels, which is not actually happening, which is probably happening with just one commodity, but there are various commodities that are not going back there. As a result, that's why we're seeing 40% increase from the pre-pandemic to now. And then steel mill products, as we can see here, is also has gone up, but it's not coming down. It has come down from previous year, but not to the levels that we have seen pre-pandemic days. So that is the end of this presentation. So this is again producer price index explanation, how the building materials have trended pre-pandemic to till date, and also how the PPI index that is being released by USBLS has trended year over year and also month over month. Thanks for watching. My name is Kiran. I work at Key Prime Realty, the brokerage that helps buyers and sellers to unlock their dream property. Do check out our services if you're in the market for buying or selling. Thanks for watching.